Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kripa here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this maroon red eye makeup look. Starting off with a clean face, I'm going to be doing my concealer first. The concealer I'm using today is Kryolan Derma color in the shade D100. I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow base as well. So I'm going to be applying it all over my lid and just blending it out so that it evens out the skin tone of my eyelids. I'm also going to apply it to cover my under eye circles. They're not extremely dark, but they're still there, and foundation isn't enough. So yeah, concealer is very much needed. Next, I'm going to be moving on to my eyebrows. I'm using the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. It's like a pencil with a brush, and I'm using the shade 01 Dark Brown. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys will know that this is what I've been using, I think, for at least 4 months now, and it's still not over. It's a beautiful shade match, and I absolutely love this product. For today, I'm going to be using the Colourpop eyeshadow in the shade Porter. It's like a reddish, brownish, maroonish color, which is absolutely gorgeous. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I find that it's best to just blend it out using my fingers. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm also dragging a little bit onto the under lash, or well, under the eye. And then I'm going to be blending everything out using this eyeshadow palette from LA Girl. I have already reviewed this on my blog, so if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link for it down below. The shade I'm using is called Eternalize, and it's a wonderful shade of neutral colors. I am using the chocolate brown color, and later on I will also be using the highlight color. I'm just using a good blending brush. I don't recall what brand this is. I think it's Crown brushes, but they are great. I'm also using that dark chocolate brown shade to blend out the eyeshadow underneath my eyes as well, and then completing it with the Nykaa I Am Kajal black kajal. I love this kajal, guys. It's just amazing. Now that I'm happy with how my eyeshadow looks, I'm moving on to mascara. Today I'm using the MAC Haute and Naughty 2 Black Lash Mascara. I flipped this from my sister a couple of months ago, and oh my god, you guys, I have so much to say about this, which I'm saving up for a complete review, so make sure to stay tuned for that. The foundation I'm using today is from Fenty Beauty. It's from the Pro Filter line, and the shade I'm in is 370. I've just taken about a pump and dotting it all over my face, and I'm going to blend it out using a Vega blending brush. Now this was one of the first brushes that I invested in way back about 6 or 7 years ago, and it does shed a bit while washing, but I love it. I find that it's great if you want to have a really light coverage, but also have like that airbrushed sort of look. This brush is perfect for that. I don't know if it's available anymore, but if I do find something, I'll drop a link down below. Once I'm done blending out my foundation, I'm going to be actually going over any spots and then just spot concealing, and with that my base makeup will be done. The Physicians Formula Glow and Mood Boosting Blush in the shade Rose is what I've chosen for today. Actually, this is just the second time I'm using it. It is such a pretty shade, and it has a very little bit of sheen to it, which I think complements the kind of shimmer that's going on with my eyes. Now to set all of my makeup, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm in the shade 222, and since I lost my powder puff, I'm just using a flat top kabuki brush, some random thing that I found off Amazon, to set my makeup. For eyebrow highlight today, I am using the lightest shade from the LA Girl palette, the one that I already showed you. And now the last but not in any way the least step, the lipstick. I am using MAC lipstick in the shade Diva today. It looks a little different in the bullet, but on the lips it translates into this like a magenta mixed with maroon kind of color. You can make it deeper. I have not gone too deep today, but you can definitely make it a little deeper than what I am wearing currently. I absolutely love this lipstick. I love how it looks on my skin tone, and I think it's the perfect way to complete this look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and drop any video requests down below. I'd love to know what you guys want to see from my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.